Hey guys, I'm Mia with 3ERP. Welcome to our shop floor. Right now, you are looking at over 40 CNC machines printing out parts for clients all over the world. Today, I want to show you one of the workhorses of our facility, the Haas VF-5SS.
Now, the SS stands for super speed.
Not super scary, so if you haven't seen the cheap flying of the beast, it gets pretty intense.
We rely on this bad boy for high-volume production runs and complex geometries.
And it's not just fast, it's I need the part yesterday fast.
Let's break down exactly what makes this machine such a beast on the floor.
First up, muscle. This rig packs a 30 horsepower liter drive system.
That's enough torque to slice through aluminum like a hot knife through butter. It's rocking a 12,000 RPM inline direct drive spindle. That means less vibration, smoother surface finishes, and quieter operation.
Well, quieter is the related term in the machine shop. The speed isn't just about spinning, it's about moving.
The rapids on this thing clock in at 1,200 inches per minute on all axes.
That cuts down on cutting error significantly. Translation, faster lead time and lower cost for your project.
It's also got a 30+1 side mount tool changer that swaps tools in under 2 seconds. This lets us tackle complex parts with a ton of operations without skipping a beat.
Now let's talk about aesthetic. The travel range are massive.
50 inches on the X, 26 on the Y, and 25 on the Z.
It's the sweet spot for size, plenty of room for large housings,
but still nimble enough for small precision components.
Look, this isn't just some shiny toy, it's a battle-tasty workhorse.
Here at 3ERP, we keep this rig totally dialed in, ensuring specs stay dead on, day in and day out.
Whether you need a single prototype or 1,000 production units, the Haas VF-5SS
and the 40 other CNC machines in our workshop are ready to roll.
Get the design ready, shoot it over, and let's make something awesome together.